We've learned two important principles in Physical Science 100 that can help us understand the next demonstration. The first is that pressure equals force divided by area. The second is that if we have balanced forces, we have no acceleration. And if we have unbalanced forces, we get acceleration. I have here a can. Now this can has a pressure from the air of approximately 15 pounds per square inch. Given that our can has several hundred square inches of surface area, we would expect that there would be thousands of pounds of pressure pushing on the can, which should be enough to collapse it, but there's a balancing force due to 15 pounds per square inch of air pressure inside the can pushing out. And the force of air pushing in is perfectly balanced by the pressure of air pushing outwards, and so we get no acceleration. If we want something to happen, we need to make those forces unbalanced, and we can do that by removing the pressure of the air pushing outwards. There are several ways that we can do that, but we'll pick a particularly simple way. We've added some water to the bottom of this can and heated up to the boiling point. As that water boils, it gives off steam, which pushes the air out. So now I have a container with 15 pounds per square inch of steam on the inside. I'll remove it from the heat and carefully cap the hole so that no more air can rush in. With that sealed, I now want to turn the steam back into water, and I'll do that by placing my can in an ice bath. As the ice slowly cools my can, the steam turns back into water, and now I have 15 pounds per square inch pushing in, but nothing pushing outwards. So with the forces unbalanced, we get some acceleration. Now you can try a version at home that's a little less spectacular. If you take a 4-liter milk jug that's empty, fill it with hot water, shake it around to get it good and steamy, then put the cap on tightly and put it in the fridge. The change will be a little more slow and a little less dramatic, but as that steam turns back into liquid, that milk jug will collapse just the same as our large can.